let's slide them out the sleeve. And there is a pre-applied screen protector, but let's peel this plastic off first. Alright, and let's fire them up. There we have it. Boom. Alright everybody, welcome back to the video, and I hope everyone enjoyed that real quick unboxing and first boot of the NUU Mobile G5. Now let's get into the first impressions portion of the video. And I also wanted to try on this included case for everyone right here. So here we have the NUU Mobile G5 in all of its glory here, and you can see this bad boy is looking great. So if I flip it over to the rear, let's go ahead and do a real quick walk around. So on the rear we have the quad camera setup, the always active capacitive fingerprint sensor, some new branding, and that's it. Nice shimmery pattern on the back here. Flipping it to the bottom, we do have our one mono speaker, down firing, USB Type-C, 3.5mm headphone jack. I love to see that. Thank you NUU for keeping that. And our microphone right here. Flipping it to the side, we have our SIM tray slot right here. Now this bad boy does support dual SIMs. So that's 2 nano SIMs, or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. Good stuff there. And then on this side, we have our volume buttons and our power button. Okay. And on the front, we have that 6.55-inch IPS LCD display. Okay. Good stuff there. So real quick walk around with that nice punch hole front facing camera, as y'all can see right there. So now let's go ahead and slap the case on and continue with the first impressions. Alright. So it just lines up perfectly. Clicks into place. Just like that, and the case fits perfectly, I must say. Now, let's go ahead and get into the first impressions with the device and talk about the available storage out of the box. Let's try the fingerprint sensor first. Tap. Now, I do need to put in my password on initial boot, so let me go ahead and put that in. And that's going to bring us straight into the device. Okay? And here y'all can see what the device looks like on first initial boot. Now I have not installed anything, so you can see my Google feed is not set up. I haven't even connected it to my network, and it's fussing at me because I didn't do that. So you can see it's asking me to sign into the Google Play Store so it can get everything set up, and if I launch the Google Play Store, it wants me to sign in. So I literally have not done anything to this device. All I've done was give it a full charge, run through the initial boot, set up the fingerprint scanner, and drop it out to the home screen. This way everyone can see the available apps out of the box. And let's test that fingerprint scanner again. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. Fires right up, so good stuff. Now let's look at all of the included apps that come on this bad boy out the box. So what we got here, we have FM radio. That's pretty cool. That's a nice inclusion. We got live support from NUU. Alright. And then that's about it. And then what else do we have? They have a custom camera application. So all together we're looking at what? Four included applications aside from all of the stock Google apps. Alright. And you can see it's a fairly stock experience. Okay. Now let's jump into the settings and check the available storage. So if we go down, and really nice here, they do have face unlock. So good to see that. Now I do believe they put the storage in the system settings. So we go to system, and then there you can see it, storage. Alright, so out of the box here, we are using up 8.38 gigs out of 64, okay, or 13% of the overall system storage. And we do not have anything installed on this device, all right, as y'all can see right there, okay? Just those 4 applications taking up about 0.1 gigabytes, all right? And then the system is taking up 8.3 gigabytes, as you can see right there. All right, so first initial impressions are really good. I have to say this looks like a solid device. Now, initial impressions of the performance, I can't speak to that yet because I haven't loaded it up yet. But that pretty much does it for this video, y'all. Now, as the month continues, I do have to let y'all know this was another product brought to you guys thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So what does that mean? This came in free of charge to the channel. All I have to do is write up and publish my full written review on Amazon's website, and then this device is mine free of charge. All right? So for all of my written people, the written review will be up first before the video review. And in terms of the length of time that it's going to take for the video review, it's going to take me about a month. I really want to put this bad boy through its paces. So about 3 to 4 weeks before we come out with the full review, and we will have all of my regular coverage along the way. So a gaming video, a camera video, a software walkthrough, all that good stuff, and everything will culminate in a full review. So y'all be on the lookout for that. All right? And that being said, I do want to let everyone know this whole video was recorded using the rear-facing primary 64 megapixel camera on the LG V60. This was also recorded in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. And as always, if your interest is piqued, all the links to where y'all bad boys can pick this up for some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.